Hello everyone, welcome to my Sherry studio. Today I'm going to customize Draculaura and she's going to be Giselle from Enchanted. If you know Giselle, you know also that she's living half in animated world and half in, real world. So I'm going to make this animated version of Giselle. This is my first time with Draculaura, but I think she's cute. She has really nice face and nice body color. As usual, I'm starting with cutting her hair and removing her makeup with pure acetone. Okay, now I would like to show you some of my new stuff. The first one is acrylic paints, and I love them. They have great colors and they paint really nice. 24 pieces with lighter and darker colors, and I'm going to use them on my head, as you will see in a moment. And this is my Christmas gift, the gift from my husband, and I really love them. I wanted them a lot. These are 72 soft pastels, mini pastels from Faber-Castell. They seem to be very, very well pigmented, and I hope I will see it on my dolls. That is why today I will start with blushing the body, because I would like to compare my new Faber-Castell soft pastels and my old one Koh-i-noor pastels. I also have some of Rembrandt soft pastels, but I don't have a white one, so I will leave them for later. First leg I'm covering with Faber-Castell pastels, and the second leg is going to be covered with Koh-i-noor pastels. And I have to tell you, I'm a little bit disappointed with Faber-Castell pastels. I think, I don't know if you can see it on this movie, but I can obviously see that this Koh-i-noor white soft pastel is much better than Faber-Castell. And now I'm blushing the body with this beautiful nude Rembrandt pastel. Now I'm going to reroute her hair with this beautiful gingerbread saran, which I bought on Retro Dolls UK. Oh, I was so affected by this hair that I completely forgot to paint her head first. So I can use my new acrylic paints, and I have to tell you that the coverage is really good. Now I'm using my tacky glue to hold the hair on the right place. And finally, I can start blushing the face. As usual, I'm starting with sketching the eyes and eyebrows. And using my white carbon pencil, I'm drawing the eyeballs. I'm adding some shadows around her eyes, nose and lips. Maybe this white Faber-Castell soft pastel is not so good, but the colors are really, really nice. And this pink one, which I'm using now, is very well pigmented. When the sketch of my eyes is ready, it's time for her irises, and they're going to be light blue. And the eyes are ready. The last detail is the white reflections. I'm adding some shadows to the body and it's going to be finished. And now my favorite part, the dress, and it's going to be pink like on a reference picture. And now I'm going to attach this very delicate white sleeves. And now the last detail, the ribbon, and I think I found the perfect ribbon for this dress. And this is how ready dress looks like. And what do you think? I think it's very similar to the original, and I think I'm pleased. Now it's time for the small flowers which Giselle has on her head, and they're going to be made with a foam, and this is a special foam for making flowers. You can see many tutorials on YouTube, and I hope you will like it. I want to blush them a little bit to make them more realistic. Using my iron, I will give them a proper shape. Well, it will just make by itself. And now I'm attaching them to the head of Giselle. Let's connect the head and the body together and dress her up. I decided that she needs a friend. At the beginning of the movie, when we can see her in this pink dress, she's with a lot of animals. They're helping her, creating her Prince Charming. And I decided that she will have a friend, and it's going to be a small blue bird, which I will make of clay. This bird is so small that this is not that easy to make this little wings and little tail, I hope it's gonna be fine. When the clay is hard, it's time for painting. And this is ready, Bert. What do you think? Because I think it's really cute, and I hope my Giselle will like it. Now I'm attaching the false lashes, and I will put some glossy varnish on her eyes and lips, and she's ready. Please meet Giselle. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you will like my Giselle as much as I do. And please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!